Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林泽修 Joseph Lin, and we're going to take you to a restaurant today. How's that, okay? 因为想到吃了今天要带大家去餐厅好了哦。
好，
但是别忘了我们这一整个月呢就是要教大家怎么说老板多少钱。
条价几多钱？
Yes, this entire month we're teaching you how to and repeat and reiterate. How do you say how much is this? 条价几多钱 All right, but today let's go to a restaurant and order some food and ask for recommendations, okay? 好，我们先到这个餐厅一定是要点菜嘛，对啊，点菜了没啊？快点点了，好饿啊，好饿啊！这样子 ，OK？ How do you say order? OK, order some food. All right, 点菜。
点菜。
点菜 ，All right， 点菜就是菜，就菜嘛。菜 actually means vegetables in Chinese, but in general it means any type of food. OK？
那海陆腔点菜。
点菜 is a different dialect for saying ordering or ordering food. 那有的时候到一个比较陌生的餐厅或地方，你还是会问推荐一下，介绍一下
有什么好吃的。
你们这边对这个热门的菜是什么，对不对 ？Okay, so a lot of times you would ask for recommendations or suggestions what to order. 推荐 recommendation 怎么说呢？
小鸡。
小鸡。And when you order, sometimes you want your food to be spicy. 有的时候我会比较喜欢吃辣。You want to make your food spicy hot. How do you say that? 辣。辣哦，还有辣哦，五辣啊，吃起来够辣的，辣。Okay, it sounds like powerful in Chinese, but it means spicy or hot in Hakka. 那我们干脆用这个字来造一个句好了。好啊，就是要问这个老板叫他把这个菜色加辣一点，所以就说老板，我的菜要加辣 ，Please make my dish spicier.
条價，捱嘅菜愛加條辣。
條價 that's boss or sir.
捱嘅菜
that means my dish 我的菜，对不对？
愛加條辣。
愛加條辣。條是有一點的意思，對不對？
對啦，加辣啦。
Okay, 條 actually means a little bit spicier, not a lot, okay? All right, let's review all these terms, all right? 點菜怎麼說？ Order food.
點菜
and then to recommend 推薦
小雞
and make it hot 辣你好辣也可以哈你好辣 Okay, finally don't forget how to say hey how much is this 老板多少錢
條價幾多錢
And there you go, it's another practical Hakka on Icrt
什麼大家
俺只say 張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.